Hey everybody, Shu here. Today we are going to tie the fisherman's knot. It's for tying two different ropes together that are the same size. To do it, you simply get two pieces of rope, pull them away from each other like this. Get yourself a pretty good little amount. I mean, you don't need 10 miles of it. You just need a pretty good amount, just like that. And what you're going to do is you can let one end drop. On the other end, you're just going to simply make a bend in the rope. And then what I use my index finger and I lay it down just like this right here. And you're going to want to wrap it around it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then on your third wrap, so you have 2 turns, you're going to want a third turn. And then you're going to, what you can do is you can slide your finger out. It'll leave these loops, these turns, loose, and then that loop, it'll leave it wide open for you. You're going to get this little short end, go underneath those two, then feed it through that loop, then slowly pull up, and you have knot number 1 done. So you're going to repeat the exact same process on the other side. You're going to get your line, you're going to make a bend in the opposite one. We did this color here, we're doing the darker color on this side. So you do the same thing again. You do your wraps. 1, oh, I might need a little extra. So you go 1. I'm messing this thing all up. Alright, here we go. Go 1, 2, 3, and I need more slack. Alright. Here we go. Take number 55 million. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 turns. Then on your last one, on your third one, you get the short one. Right underneath these 2 turns, put it through that loop, then just slowly slide it up. And you have knot number 2. So you have knot number 1, and you have knot number 2. So now, simply pull on the two lines. Once they come together, there you go. Now you can always cut off the very end. If you do, just cut it off about that far up. You don't want to cut it flat against here, but you can cut it up. But once these two get cinched together, yeah, they are very, 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 very difficult to get back off. So this isn't something that if you want your line back, you don't want to use this type of knot. Now, if you try to pull back on this line, it ain't gonna make a difference. Same with this one. Once it's cinched down right, it ain't going nowhere. But that's how you get 2 lines, same diameter, tied together using the fisherman knot. So I hope this helped y'all. If it did, throw a thumbs up down there. Give me a comment, something like that. And for everyone that's out there, I hope y'all are being safe, especially with all this COVID crap going on. And until next time, I hope to see y'all on the next video.